Today I'm taking a train to Medina, the second holiest site of Islam. So I'm taking a train from Jeddah railway station, Al Sulaimania railway station. So it's just over here, and this is the train I'm taking. Haramain High Speed Railway. It will take less than 2 hours, and I paid around 140 or 43 Saudi riyals. So I was staying near Al Balad in the city center. It took around 20 minutes to reach here by taxi, Uber taxi. I paid around, for that one I paid around 25 Saudi riyals. So 20 minutes, 25 Saudi riyals, Uber ride. I am right in front of the railway station. So I will show you the railway station. Very high speed train, only 2 hours. So that's the one pickup zone. There are so many apps, but Uber is doing very well, very fast and plenty. Within 1 minute I got the taxi, but that's from the near the Al Balad. Railway station is very modern. You can see. Okay, so let's go inside. I may need to check in, give my ID, etc. So I booked the train 1 week ago. There were plenty of seats, so no issues. I think every 1 hour or so there are trains. But if you go to the official website, you can see all the train timings, and you can book online. You can see the seating arrangement, all the stuff. A very good pictorial representation is there, so it's very easy to book the tickets. Okay, so these are the train timings. It's almost there regularly. Looks like every half an hour. No, that's mix of Mecca and Medina. Plenty of trains anyway. So I am taking the train to Medina, I think around 11:30. I need to go up. So this is escalators that came from the ground floor to first floor, and you can see the pharmacy which I have shown you. Now just to the left side of the pharmacy is the ticket office. Okay. So that's the ticket office and the pharmacy. Okay. There's a baggage allowance, you can see. So it's similar to flights. There are some restrictions, modern thing, and one handbag. So platform number 6 is Medina. This is where from where I will be taking my train.
فين لا ينزل من الدرج. شوف لا يكمل ما ينزل.
So that's the Medina train at 11:32. That's an overview of the platforms. So this is my train, 11:32. Train number 01110 to Medina. So that's my coach number 7. the first class coach. Just have a quick look. You can see there is a TV monitor behind each seat. This one is I think is, look at the leg room, plenty of leg room here, and naked table. So there's a disabled toilet. So the first class coaches are empty basically. So that's the cafeteria here, one of the coaches.
Thank you.
So it took 1 hour 45 minutes to reach Medina from Jeddah. And this is the arrival section of Medina Airport. Sorry, Medina train station. So these are the different services here at Medina train station. Virgin Mobile. Costa Coffee. That's out shop, perfume shop. I will just do a tour around this station. So these are some of the shops here. STC, that looks like SIM. Costa Coffee here. STC Mobile, Salam Mobile, Starbucks. Starbucks here, Apotek. Okay, that's a pharmacy. So departure next up. It's a bank here, and I believe some cash machines. So I just changed some currency from here, from this bank. US dollars, 3.74. So $1 US, they gave me 3.74 Riyal, Saudi Riyal. I believe that's a departure area. We need to put the ticket. That's the information. We have the information desk over here, and which is manned. So, like in Jeddah, there is a supermarket in the basement section. A lot of people waiting here because this is the second holiest Islamic site for pilgrimage. So we have the arrivals and departure section boards here. Now it is showing Arabic. Okay, that's English. So plenty of trains to Mecca, Jeddah Airport and Medina. So that's for luggage services. Coffee shop, Dunkin. Okay, Al-Saik or Al-Bike. This is similar to, someone told me this is similar to a KFC, local KFC here. And cash machine is here. I don't know what is this. Okay. Yeah. So that's the Moroccan Taste Cafe. It's a cafe here, Al-Baik, Dunkin. Departure launch upstairs, but you cannot go unless you have a ticket. Self-service ticket machines is card only. Looks like a kiosk for the hotel here. Anwar Al Madina. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, taxis, buses, drop off, pick up, mosque. So that's outside area. Plenty of space. There's another cafeteria here. So buses, taxis and long stay car park right over there. Another coffee shop. Police is there. Okay, there is a very nice mosque just in front of the railway station. And plenty of taxis waiting here. You can see the green ones. Believe other types of taxis are also there, but green one stands out. The police is there. Yeah, security wise, no need to worry. It's all well taken care of. We rarely hear any crimes like pickpocketing, bag snatching. We rarely hear anything like that in Saudi. This is February, beginning of February, and the temperature is around 30-31. It's not humid, so very nice breeze. So all in all, it's very good. Just in front of the railway station, there are plenty of, not just in the front, a bit far away you can see, there are plenty of mountains or hills, whatever you call, but the problem is you cannot see them properly because of the foggy atmosphere. But it looks very nice view, because when you come out of the railway station, this is what you see. So these are trolley guys doing the bags. So yeah, very easy. There are plenty of people waiting here. The trolley guys are waving, so that's also very good. So taxis waiting to be picked up. So that's the drop-off point and pickup location just over here. So I am waiting for an Uber. Even though the taxis are here, I don't know. Uber is easy, just easy. I know the price in advance.